How we doing, everyone? Welcome to another episode of If There's a Will, There's a Wave. In today's episode, we're going to be starting off with this beautiful girl. We see Cleo growing up before our eyes. She's a little bit to handle, but I love it, man. She's awesome. Anyways, getting back with today's episode, we're going to be cleaning up the entire inside of the cabin, from front to back, doing some vacuuming, and taking care of that nasty head. I'd like to give a little forewarning. This is not going to be the prettiest episode, but sometimes you just got to get your hands dirty. Let's get to it.
Father, forgive me, walking towards something more now. I've seen a lot of love, seen a lot that can break a man down. But when I figure it out, you'll be the first one I'm calling. When I figure it out, you'll be the first one I'm calling. You'll be the first one I'm thinking. I for warm in the water and in the life that you gave me. Truly an honest sacrifice, superficial to be in your arms. Not as a 20-son, but when I'm old and wise, you'll be smiling, looking down on all my enterprises. They forge a vibe and try to hide us in it. Now my window's tinted. You cannot look in my eyes, bitch. I'm a godsend. I've been thinking of giving up on my telephone. Keeping connection clear with you only. Problem with that is my misery won't leave me. Need a hand to hold, but my pride be like Stevie. Running on special fumes, I know you can see me. What's a diamond to a gold mine? Let's pour a glass up to the old times. Father, forgive me, What did you decide? Yeah? Is it our time? Yeah? I've been on fire. Yeah? I've been on fire. Was it all lies? And I've been hardwired to beat all the odds. Keep falling for girls like you. You so honest. Yeah. I see through all your armor. Yeah. And you decide. What do you decide? We've been on love. Yeah. We've been on love. I'll be alright if we find out you'll be lying or not by my side. Yeah. I've been on fire. I've been hardwired to beat all the odds. Keep falling for girls like you. Keep falling for girls like you. Falling for girls like you. Girls like you. Stimulate, amputate my heart to this. Damn, am I gonna have to sew it back? Never overcut, I might nigga, gotta stay there. You belong up and take care. Your rappers forgot the framework. I'm painting with primary forefronts. You scared, bro, that's trauma. Honey, everybody fucking got some. Let's break down these barriers. Ain't no anyways. What do you think? Get back to me on an answer. I'll be out by the blue beam, pumping B.I.G. Animalistic high right now, tripping on chemistry raw. What do you want? I'm falling off, ain't no coming down. Wonder if we go end it tomorrow. Put pause on the love. Animalistic high right now, tripping on chemistry raw. What do you want? I'm falling off, ain't no coming down.
Alright, so I just gave Cleo her very first bone. How you like it, mama? So that should give me about 10 minutes for me to work on some stuff. And I think that's going to be just enough time for us to figure out this head situation. Toilet, bathroom. Alright guys, so from what I've seen online, when this is red, that means it's full. Okay? And then I also heard and seen that this thing separates. There's a button that you press in the back that it separates. Now I play every day. No more minimum wages. I've been riding around living life now with part 2. Need to figure out. And I'm like, wow, trusted in myself and the fucking spirit. Remove this thing. You guys don't want to see this. I don't want to show you this. I don't even know what's in there. It's not even my stuff, so I'm not going to show you this because I'm going to have to deal with it by myself.
You don't want to see this, right? I'm pretty sure. I'm making the executive decision that you guys don't want to see this. So I know that this thing spins around. You just carry it over to your dump station, or in this case, my toilet. And that sucks. But it is what it is. So, okay. Let's do this. I'm actually really pleased with how easy it, connects and gets locked in. Alright, so I got it all cleaned out, washed out, and now I'm just going to give it a quick wipe with some cleaner, and it should be good to go in. It was actually extremely easy to do the job, and whatever chemical that you're supposed to put in there, it actually really does the work, because everything was just like a nice a nice green. Like the actual color of the additive that you put in there, the enzyme, does a pretty good job. And honestly, it just smells like a regular porta potty. Wasn't too bad. Like a freshly installed, only a couple people used porta potty. You know what I mean? And as you can see now, we're green. It's actually pretty dope because there's a slot for toilet paper. Roll. I'll show you how that works right now.
I want this avoid by Betty G. She agreed and started singing to me. This is before the time I knew I was 100 degrees. A time when we would dream under the cherry trees. I'll probably quit when I'm 26. That's what she would say on a perfect day. At 17 I wasn't.
Saw that. You can pull this in and out easily. Cool. Beautiful. Man, hell yeah. So I'll go put this back and then we'll deal with this part. I know that I gotta clean that thing too, so let's put this thing back first. A lot lighter this time, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we'll start with a rag to get the majority of the dirt and the crap. Probably even vacuum first. How exciting. How exciting. We'll go ahead and clean this thing up outside, out with the hose first, and then we can do more of a detailed clean. Test this thing out, you know what I mean? I've been holding it all damn day. Time to pee. I have to pee. Wow. Freaking toilet. Alright, cool. It's a head. It's a head. Actually, it's a toilet because it's outside of the head. It's a toilet right now. In my opinion, it's a toilet. But as soon as it goes into that room, you fight me on that. I guess it becomes a head. I don't know. I really don't know. I actually am curious to see how you guys correct me. It'll be good because I really don't know anything. I think I called the helm a cockpit, and I just found out that a helm is a helm because I've been watching more videos on this stuff. So that's a helm, and these are stations also. Station 1, Station 2, upper station, lower station, flybridge. There's like 20 names for the same thing. I think it's ridiculous, but so be it. Let's take care of this thing. Mission accomplished.